friends, welcome back to Uttara Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In today's video, we are going to make a spicy, tasty, and delicious vegetarian kimchi fried rice recipe. Let's begin. Heat a pan. Add oil. Let the oil get heated well. Add finely chopped onion. Saute for 1 minute. Add crushed garlic. Saute for 30 to 45 seconds. Add carrots. Saute for 45 seconds. Add lima beans or edamame beans or peas. Add finely chopped multicolored pepper and saute for another 45 seconds. Time to add in our homemade green cabbage kimchi. Are you wondering what kimchi is or how you can make it? Well, don't worry, just watch a suggested video that pops up. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Season with some salt and black pepper according to your taste. Add soy sauce. We're adding some homemade Szechuan sauce. Want to know how we made our homemade Szechuan sauce? Well, watch the suggested video that pops up. Mix well and cook for 45 seconds. Toss some freshly chopped scallions. Add leftover rice. You can use jasmine rice or mushi rice to make this recipe. Mix well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes for flavors to blend in. Transfer to a serving dish. Garnish with some more scallions. And finally, enjoy this vegetarian kimchi fried rice. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye.